Market roller coaster, bulls brace for Powell's testimony amidst Wall Street tumble. In overnight trade, Wall Street moved lower, despite a matching downtick in Treasury bond yields. US stocks were lower as denting sentiments were Apple's stock price, which dropped 2.5% to $170.50. The iPhone maker lost $70 billion in market capitalization after the European Union slapped it with a $2 billion antitrust fine for thwarting competition from music streaming rivals through restrictions on its App Store. Hurting sentiments were also comments from Atlanta Federal Reserve Raphael Bostic, who has forecasted that the first rate cut of the year as coming only in the third quarter, well past the current market forecasts of a June reduction. Commanding attention from here on will be Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's testimony due on March 6th and 7th that shall steal the show. Powell will appear before Congress both on Wednesday and Thursday for his semi-annual testimony, where the Fed chief will be grilled on the economic outlook, especially on the inflation front, which is not cooling as rapidly as investors had hoped. We will spy with one big eye if bullish traders are forced to further unwind bets of imminent Fed rate cuts. Please note, markets are currently pricing just 3 rate cuts for this year, down from 6 cuts a few months ago. On economic data front, US non-farm payrolls to trickle in on Friday, 8th March will be crucial. After Friday, we'll get to more inflation reports next week, the Consumer Price Index, CPI, on 12th March, and the Producer Price Index, PPI, on 14th March. And then after that, the Fed has their next FOMC meeting on March 19-20th. Bottom line, nobody is expecting the Fed to cut rates at the March meeting. But they will begin talking about when they might begin to cut rates. And that's what everybody is anxious to hear. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs net bought to the tune of Rs 574 crores. DIIs too bought to the tune of Rs 1835 crores. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Sentiment is likely to be risky. Nifty's technicals suggesting some serious consolidation. FNO data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,700 to 23,000 zone. India VIX has cooled further towards 14.38 levels. Nifty PCR, 7th March, is at 1.15. Nifty PCR, 28th March, is at 1.34. Nifty outlook, Nifty may waver in today's trade. Nifty, CMP to 2356. Support, 22,200 to 22,000. Resistance, 22,500 to 22,600. Range, 22,200 to 22,500. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 47581. Support, 47,000 to 46,800. Resistance, 47,700 to 47,900. Range, 46,800 to 47,900. Bias, sideways to bullish. Tata Power Solar Systems Ltd has announced the renewal and expansion of its partnership with Union Bank of India to offer financing solutions for residential and commercial and industrial customers. Tata Motors Ltd has informed its decision to demerge its businesses into 2 separate listed entities, namely the Commercial Vehicles (CV) and Passenger Vehicles (PV) businesses. The Board of Directors of NTPC have accorded investment approval for Singrauli Super Thermal Power Project, Stage 3, to buy 800 megawatts at an appraised current estimated cost of 17,195.31 crore rupees.